Hello, welcome to Academic School. Well, have you ever wished for an assistant that could guide your students through science concepts, that too interactively? Well, we all have, right? An assistant, a science lab assistant, that could give us, all the lesson plans and the activities that are to be done perfectly matching our students' lesson. Well, if yes, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Science Labs AI tool. It's a revolutionary way to create custom chatbots tailored to your science lab, tailored to your criteria. Well, to access this amazing tool, you have to first click on this tool, which is Science Labs. Once you click on it, you have to give it some prompts like year level. So my students are in 5th grade. Okay. Now science lab description. Here I'll write the science lab that I'm looking for. So I need a bio lab, biology lab, in which, we have the human skeleton, right? We have plants, etc. All right. And in additional context, I'm going to mention what I want to conduct. So my students are very new to biology, in this much detail. So I want them to have an introductory session in the lab, right? Learn about the basic living organisms. All right. That is it. And then at the end, we have the standard set to align. So my students are in CBSE board. So I've written that. That is it. Now I've clicked on generate, and within seconds, it will give us a personalized science lesson plan chatbot, which is ready to inspire and educate our students. And here we are. I hope you're able to see. It has given me the overview, the learning objectives, materials which I'll be needing, and the activities that could be done. Isn't it just fantastic, right? So I hope you like this tool, and I'm sure that you're going to try this. Yes. So thanks for watching. Try the Science Labs tool today at Academiq AI and make science learning more exciting and more interacting. Happy teaching and happy learning.